Alright, so we're back to code.org here, lesson 9 sprite properties, and we're taking a look at some different practice activities. And in this one, what we need to do is we're going to adjust the cars. So this is the way they are currently right now, and this is the way they need to be. And we're going to end up using this new block called rotation, and it rotates the images between 0 and 360 degrees clockwise. Okay, so for example, if we wanted the my sprite rotation equal 90, that'll turn it 1/4. All right, so make all the cars look like they're traveling down the road. Okay, so we want to just make them look like this. The green car is in the correct spot, so we can actually look at, well, they don't do them as that way. This is the car at the top. So that's this one right here. So we're not going to adjust that at all. But when we look at the car to the left over here, we want to have that car facing this direction. So we're going to take a rotation block out of here, drag that one there, and we're going to rotate him 90. We'll give that a try and see. And then one thing we always want to make sure that this name reflects here. So we'll do car left, and let's go ahead and run that. Okay, so there we go. There's our car left. All right, so now let's go ahead and we'll go down to our car at the bottom, which is our blue one. And that looks like it's okay. However, this one's facing forward. This one is actually facing forward as well, so it's kind of going into oncoming traffic. So we want to actually rotate that 180 degrees. So we're gonna, you can kind of see the lights right here. So we're gonna go ahead and drag this out, and we're gonna call this car bottom, and we'll do 180. And let's check that one. There, now he's facing the correct direction. Unless, of course, he was trying to pass or something, but that wouldn't be a very good option. All right, and then we're going to do this last one right here. Now, this is not going to be a 90 degree because that would be too far. Kind of have it on an angle here. So we're going to drag a rotation. We're going to call this car right. And this actually is like a 45 degree angle. So let's do 45 and see if we get that correct. And there you go. So it's facing that correct path. All right, so this is kind of how you use the rotation. They're just based on a 0 to 360 degrees. And then you just have to, make sure you name them correctly and bring the rotation out and just go ahead and type which degree of angle you'd like that to be. All right, hopefully that helps you and good luck.